Taylor here from PSC Energy. Just got a battery install just in St Mary's here. What we've got is a Tesla Powerwall 3 expansion. It's an add-on to a previous system that we've installed, which is Powerwall 2s. Previously you weren't actually allowed to install a Powerwall 3 and expansion with Powerwall 2s. Now that it has actually become available to be able to do the installs. This lucky customer here is getting an expansion as well as a Powerwall 3. Which obviously means that he can store more power from his solar that's been installed previously. Basically what we'll do today is we'll install the expansion pack onto the wall first. Then we have a bracket that goes on the front. And then we'll have the Powerwall 3, we'll get bolted on top of that as well. And then basically what we'll do from there, commission all the system up, have it so that way the Powerwall 3 and the expansion will be on his backup system. So that way he's got a little bit more storage space for extra power for when he wants for his house as well. So now, like we said previously, we've now got the expansions being mounted on the wall first. Then we've got the actual power, the Powerwall 3 gets bolted onto the front. Just got some terminations we've got to do on that side for the power. All we have to do now is just run a communications cable from the existing Powerwall 2. Just going to put some conduit on the wall, come into the side entry here. Basically just gets put into the front here. Basically, so that way this now becomes the master of the whole system, but we'll still have continuous support across both the existing Powerwall 2s that we've got installed. Just finishing up here at St Mary's. Just got our Powerwall 3 completely mounted with our expansion pack on the back like before. We do have our obviously existing Powerwall 2s. The lucky thing for the customer here is now they've got an extra 26 kilowatts of storage. Previously all they would have had was 13.5 going across each of the Powerwall 2s. So having the extra 26 with a total of about 54 kilowatts of storage, which now lets them get access to the federal rebate with the Powerwall 3s, which they previously didn't have with the Powerwall 2s.